this is what this is looking like right now. Hey guys. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notifications button. My name is Temmie Tales, and I'm bringing everything to you, home decor, travel, and just lifestyle related. All right, so let's get into the purpose of this video. I bought these two egg assortment kind of stand things from Shein, and I'm about to test it out and see if it's gonna be any good. Help make space in the fridge, you know, make things look a little more cute and organized. If you guys don't know, I am super hyper organized, so any little bit area where I can see some improvements in my home, I am definitely doing something about it. So I've got here a pack of, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got a pack of Costco. If you already know, Costco eggs are the best. Best price, best package, best deal. I have a pack of Costco eggs right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and sample one of these babies out. Again, from Shein, very inexpensive. I think I bought it for like, maybe each of these were, all right, might be wrong on the price, but I will definitely put the link in below in case if any of you are interested. Go feel free, check it out. There are different sellers selling similar things like this on there, so you don't have to exactly go with this one. But again, you know, different types of sellers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that cover off. Let's see how this is gonna go, guys. Honestly, I am very excited. Because I've been looking for ways to increase my fridge space, make it look, again, a bit more organized. And, oh, okay, all right. Did you guys see that? Hold on. So it kind of like stopped right here, but it's supposed to like keep rolling. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna pop this over here so y'all can watch this as it goes. So you're supposed to start with the eggs like up here. Actually, it's gonna roll down like that. And as you go, they'll kind of like slide over. Very interesting. So guys, I think this might be like for a certain egg size, cause it's not, they're not like going down. Oh, see, when it gets to the bottom here, it works perfectly fine. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Okay, perfect. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna keep going with it. At first, when I was on Shein and I was looking at the different egg organizers and stuff, you know how there's like either you could leave it in like this, or you could put it into like one of those like plastic container sets, things like that. But I saw this one, and one thing definitely with my home that I am trying to do a little bit more of is build more like up, or make things more up as opposed to like out wide. So instead of having like this wide tray right here, instead I'm gonna kind of do like things that's gonna like come up like this, whether it's like in the fridge, the home, whatever it is, just to kind of like make more space. But yeah. Okay guys, so far here is what it's looking like. We're gonna slide one more right in there. Beautiful. So this is what it's looking like so far. That's the front. This is the side right here. Here is the back, the other side. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some eggs up here as well. Again, you know, optional, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze up there. And then I'm gonna test it out and see if whenever I take one from down here, if it's gonna slide over on its own. So I'm going. Also, shout out to Costco again. Like I said before, for these dope ass eggs, the best. All right, so here's what it looks like. Bam, bam. BTW, if you guys do decide to get this, you are definitely gonna need at least two, which is why I have a second one right here, because if you're like me, like one of those people who buys the Costco crate eggs, which by the way, this comes in a stack of two. I have the other half of it inside of my fridge. I just wanted to work with one stack just to kind of get a feel of what it's gonna look like. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, definitely you're gonna need at least two of these just to get through one of this. Would I say it's worth it? I mean, it depends on how you look at it. If you wanna get through, I would say maybe like 2 packs of this for your fridge, or 1 pack. Definitely go with like anywhere between 2 to 4 of these babies right here. You might be able to get through all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second one right here and just let them roll. So I will say, I feel like they could have, it could just be also maybe like an egg issue and not like the stand itself. But I feel like they could have made it a little bit more angled on the levels below the top so that the eggs can roll a little bit easier. All right, so I'm gonna slide that in there. Okay, that's in. I want more to come down here. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. So guys, here's the second stock right here, so you guys get a nice visual. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this into recycling really quick. So I'm gonna bring the other stack out. Most likely I'm not gonna be able to get through the other stack on this one, again, just because even 1 crate of that alone from the Costco eggs, you're probably gonna need like 2 of these to do like both. Then again, also that crate that I just used, there were a couple of eggs that were already used out of it. So yeah, not gonna be able to get an accurate number right away from there. I should have probably worked with the other ones. It's still full, but this is what this looks like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other crate really quick. Okay, so this is the other crate right here. Voila. Again, shout out to Costco eggs. So let's go ahead and finish filling this up right here. They're coming down. Also, guys, it would probably roll a lot better if these were like small size eggs, but these ones from Costco are given medium to like large size. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you are gonna go and get this for your fridge, don't do any egg size that's like beyond a medium or large if you can help it. Just because you don't want your eggs getting stuck. All right, so that's what that looks like. And I'm doing the last set up here. Okay. And voila. All right, so this is what it looks like right now. I definitely will need a third one of this, so I'm gonna make sure to go ahead and order that from Shein. So this is the finished product, ladies and gents. Let me slide this out the way. So I have a couple of eggs left here. It's half of crate. I'm gonna leave those in there, or I'll find like bowl that I can put the rest of those into if I want to just get rid of that cardboard. But I'm gonna move it a little forward. If I take one egg out from here, let's see if it slides over. Oh, it does, you guys. It does. Let's take another one out. Okay, so it's a little slow. No. All right. This is kind of like gonna come up here. Okay, so how do I feel about this? It's not the greatest thing in the world. Again, I think it's just a little slow with moving because of the size of the eggs themselves. As you can see, they're like medium size, a little thick, and the way the holes are cut in these things, they're not as like wide. So you are gonna have to like push it through just a little bit in there. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. And once again, if you are new here, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And until next time.